Touch from Fred, perfectly weighted. Ronaldo! One of his very best! Run ball must be close to being offside, but the flag stayed down for now. It's Ronaldo! And he whip on it for Ronaldo! The record breaker has his hat-trick.
Benrahma curled the ball into Ciamnuih! What an emotional moment for the Ukrainian! And Ings has a swing, and what a fine save in the end. Buendia! Well, he should have had a shot surely, and that is a shot from Ramsey! And Dan James is onto it now. Rodrigo took it on! Knocked on by Gelhardt, and Rafinha's in! This is a big moment! This is a massive moment! Gelhardt! The flag stays down. Richarlison, and Jose Sarr was there to greet him. Now Ruben Neves. Connor Cody! Slug up towards Kai.
Ball must be close to being offside, but the flag stayed down for now. It's Ronaldo! And he whip on it for Ronaldo!